Hi, my name is Stephanie Hartung from WolfVision. We are here at ISE 2022. We present you now the lecture capture part of here. So as you can see on this screen, we have our CYNAP Pro in the back, means we have the HDMI 1 output, the HDMI 2 output, each connected with our visualizer, a ceiling visualizer of us. And the third stream for our CYNAP Pro is our IP cam. Why I'm talking about this is because we are a remote recorder system fully integrated and certified by Panopto. Panopto is a very nice and very neat platform to, like a private YouTube channel where you can have all your video content and provide it to your customers, like in university or like in a company, where you have a full index by speech and by OCR recognition, content and words, and you can search for everything what you need. The best thing is what I just said, that we are a remote recorder, so you can schedule us. For example, if you have a look on our Panopto platform in here, you see the remote recorder, the CYNAP itself, with the 3 streams I just mentioned, with the ceiling 1, the ceiling 2, and the IP cam. And now it's just running some webcast and recording at the same time. So it can also be a webcast. You can comment on it, and in the end it will be uploaded as the recording onto the platform. This can happen on our CYNAP Pro, but also is possible as a feature update on the CYNAP Core Pro. For more information, just visit us at wolfvision.com.